Hello and welcome to my channel. Here you will learn all about graphic designing. As you know, there are many software used for graphic designing, but here we will cover some of the important softwares like Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Adobe InDesign. These four softwares are mainly used in graphic designing. So let's start with Adobe Illustrator. As you know, Adobe Illustrator is a vector-based software, so its main purpose is for printing. But you can publish it for web also, but the main is printing. Now this is the interface of Illustrator. Its symbol is AI for the extension file. Now this is create new button. Here you can create new artboards and your work. Open is for your recent work. These are commonly used presets, and here are recents. Let's start with A4 size. So guys, we are in, and this is our artboard. The default color is white of the artboard, as you know, and here is gray. So let's start with the details of everything in the Illustrator. As you see, here is a toolbox which contain all tools, and the file menu, properties, layer, and libraries. And this is our status bar. Now the most important thing, let's start with here. Here you see Untitled 7. This means we have not saved the file. As we save the file with the respective name, the name changes accordingly. Now after this you see 31.03%. What is the meaning? It means the zoom of the artboard. As the zoom is 31.03%, so if we zoom in, it increases, and zoom out is decreases. Now you understand? Now if you want to 100% zoom, you have to control +1, and it's 100%. See. And now if you want to fit the screen, control +0. Now the artboard is fit to the screen. And after that you will see CMYK. It means these are the colors which used for printing. C for cyan, M for magenta, Y for yellow, and K for the key color as black. And after that slash and GPU preview, which means whatever work we do on this, it will preview us on the basis of GPU. The higher the GPU, the quality of the work greater. And we can change it if we don't have the GPU or we have only the CPU preview. Let's control +E. It's simply a preview, which is a preview of CPU. But in this preview, work load takes more time. The more work you do, the more time it takes. And see, now the zoom process has changed. Now it takes like this zoom, and this I don't like this. Now again control +E. It's GPU preview and it's too smooth. See, that is the difference between GPU preview and CPU preview. Now let's start with the toolbox. As we can see, the first tool is selection tool. The name defines the tool. Selection tool is used for the selection of what. Now let's come down a little bit and you see rectangle tool. Now we are using rectangle tool and the shortcut is M. So the arrow changes to the plus sign, and we can make rectangle here out of the artboard, and inside also, both. But I will tell you inside the artboard. So click the right mouse button and don't release it. Drag it anywhere you want. But as you see, when I drag it proportionally, there is a pink line over it, which shows it's a square. You can see width is 13.63 mm and height is 13.63 mm. It means it's a square. And if you release the mouse button, you made a rectangle. Now again come to selection tool. Now when you etch over the tool, On the rectangle, you will see it changes. There is a small bracket over the mouse pointer which shows the transformation. As you see, when you click on the rectangle or it's a square, then you will see there are 8 points for the transformation. Now this point, see, this point changes the transformation for both sides, and this for single side and this for again single side. Now how you can use this? As you know, you can change the size of it accordingly. And what is these circles in the rectangle? This circle makes the corner to the arc. As you see, when I edge over the mouse to the circle, my pointer changes to arc, and when I click and drag, it changes into arc. See. And what if you want only this side changes to the arc? Double click on it and you will see this will get selected. Now drag it and you will see only this side changes. And if you want to remove the transformation, click outside. This is our rectangle. Now we have done some little works on rectangle tool, and after that I will tell you more about the tools. So for today, this is only for today. Tomorrow I will tell you more about it. Okay? Thank you, friend. Have a nice day.